Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to English for Accounting. Today, I would like to change our discussions, the materials about phoning. Phoning is a kind of indirect communications, ya, percakapan tidak langsung, because you were mediums. Anda di mediumisasi, Anda bercakap-cakap berkomunikasi melalui medium. Whether the medium can be in form of voice call or in form of video call or in form of other that is mediums by telecommunications tools like such as handphone, telephone itself, or with many kinds of applications. It can be WhatsApp, it can be Skype, and etc. Okay, and our discussion will focus on the four subtopic. The first is phoning connecting, next appointment, wrong number, and a message. Okay, these kinds of indirect communications are important because when you have a business or you have relations with other in a distance, jaraknya jauh, whether in Indonesia or in other country, you need to hold a kinds of indirect communications. Okay, now let's go to the first subtopic is about phoning connecting. Pertama-tama, what's you going to say when you want to connect with your business partner? Okay, so this is the useful phrases that you can use for connecting phoning. The first is how can I help? Can I speak to? How can I help? Ada yang bisa saya bantu? How can I help? Can I speak to? Bisa nggak saya berbicara dengan bla 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 bla? Can I speak to Mr. Oberlin? Can I speak to Mr. Doolittle? Okay. Can I speak to Mr. Bill Oberlin, please? Yeah. Who's calling, please? Siapa yang ini siapa ya? Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia ini yang telepon siapa ya? Who's calling, please? Please hold. Please hold. Di sini maksudnya ditahan dulu. Tahan di sini maksudnya apa ya? Kalau dalam telepon ini tunggu dulu ya, gitu ya. Tunggu dulu ya. Please hold. Tunggu dulu. I'll just put you through. Put through. Put you through here means menyambungkan, connecting. Saya akan menyambungkannya. Ya, contoh Anda telepon hotel dan yang menerima itu resepsionis, dan Anda pengen telepon manajer marketingnya, resepsionisnya akan bilang, "Okay, I'll just put you through." Ya, saya akan menghubungkannya. Okay. Could I speak to bla 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 please? Ya, selain pakai can I speak to, ada juga bisa pakai could I speak. Ini lebih formal, lebih sopan. Pakai could, would, should, dan sebagainya itu lebih sopan daripada pakai can, may, dan sebagainya. Who shall I say is calling? Saya bisa panggil Bapak dengan panggilan apa? Gitu. Who shall I say is calling? Umpamanya Anda nelpon manajer marketingnya Davam, dan lalu resepsionisnya menerima, terus resepsionisnya mau tanya sama Anda, ini Bapak panggilannya siapa ya, nanti untuk saya sampaikan ke manajer marketing. Who shall I say is calling? Next, just a second, tunggu. I'll see if he's in. Ya, saya cek dulu ya, kalau dia ada. Saya cek dulu. I'll see. Bukan I'll check, tapi I'll see if he is in. I have got atau I have bla 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 on the phone for you. Contoh ini resepsionisnya sudah sampai ke manajer marketingnya gitu ya. Lalu lapor, Pak, ini saya ada seorang yang mau menelpon Anda. I've got Mr. Oberlin on the phone for you. Example like that. Ini ada Pak Oberlin nih mau telepon. Hang a moment. Hang a moment ini sama seperti please hold. Artinya tunggu. Tunggu sebentar. Okay. That is the useful phrases that you can use in connecting phoning. Okay. Now this is the example of dialogues. For example here, between Michelle and Mel. Okay. Michelle said, "Hello, you've reached the marketing department. How can I help?" Ya, Michelle di sini sebagai resepsionis ya. Biasanya resepsionis bilangnya seperti itu. Halo, ini departemen apa? Halo, you are reached Davam Hotel, atau halo Davam Hotel, how can I help you? Biasanya seperti itu, bisa lebih simple. Halo, sebutkan institusi mana, baru bilang ada yang bisa saya bantu. Halo, Davam Hotel, how can I help? Bisa. Halo, you reached the Davam Hotel marketing department, how can I help? Lalu Mel bilang, yes, can I speak to Rosalind Wilson, please? Can I speak to, please? Bisakah saya ngomong dengan siapa, please? Who's calling, please? Nah, ini siapa ya? Bahasa Indonesianya. Who's calling, please? Ini siapa ya? It's Richard Davis here. It's Richard Davis. Ini saya adalah Richard Davis. Lalu Michelle bilang, certainly. Please hold and I'll put you through. Oke, tunggu dulu ya. Please hold and I'll put you through. Dan saya akan menyambungkan Anda. Oke, lalu bilang si Richard Davis, thank you. Michelle, hello marketing, how can I help? Could I speak to Jason Robert, please? Certainly. Who shall I say is calling? Nah, ini versi kedua, ya. Versi kedua, namanya lebih simple ini. Si Michelle sebagai resepsionisnya bilang, hello marketing, how can I help? Hello Davam receptionist, how can I help? Hello Davam hotel, how can I help? Seperti itu, lebih simple. Hello marketing, how can I help? Lalu could I speak to, ini lebih sopan, could I speak to Jason Robert please? Bisa saya bicara dengan Jason Robert? Certainly. Who shall I say is calling? Ini siapa nih? Ini juga lebih sopan daripada who's calling. Who's calling itu sama. Ini siapa ya? Tapi lebih informal ya. Kalau who's calling itu biasa-biasa aja. Tapi kalau pengen sopan, pakainya who shall I say is calling. Who shall I say is calling? Oke. Nah, ini contoh untuk menghubungkan dengan awal-awal connecting phoning. Nah, selanjutnya yang kedua, appointment. Kalau tadi sudah mencoba untuk connecting, mau bicara dengan siapa, terus ditanyain namanya siapa, dan sebagainya, sudah. Lalu appointment, bikin janjian atau keperluannya apa. Okay, the useful phrases. First, can I speak to Brian Hibbert, please? Bisa saya bicara sama seperti tadi. I'm afraid he's in a meeting. Maaf, I'm afraid ini sih bukan artinya takut, tapi maaf. Ya. Maaf, dia lagi meeting, dia lagi rapat. I'd like to arrange an appointment. Saya mau janjian nih, arrange an appointment. Janjian itu arrange an appointment. Okay, I'd like to arrange an appointment. Okay, I'll just look in the diary. Saya cek dulu di diary. Diary di sini maksudnya agendanya Pak Brian Hibbert tadi. Kira-kira ada waktu nggak? I just look in the diary. When convenience for you. Kapan enaknya ini? Convenience di sini artinya bersedianya. Waktu yang sedianya, enaknya kapan? When's convenience for you? Would next Wednesday be okay? Bisa nggak kalau besok Rabu? Kalau besok Rabu bisa nggak? Would next Wednesday be okay? Would next Friday be okay? Bisa nggak? He's free. Dia maksudnya di sini Brian Hibbert tadi yang di atas. Dia itu longgar. Ada waktu. He's free in the afternoon after about 3. Saat sore setelah jam 3. I could make it after 4. Oke, tapi saya bisa. I could make it artinya ya saya sedia, bisa. Could make it. I could make it after 4. Saya bisanya setelah jam 4. So, shall we say 4:15? Jadi gimana kalau jam 4:15 besok Rabu? So, shall we say? Jadi kalau shall we say di sini artinya jadi. Ya, jadi. So, shall we say gimana kalau jam 4:15 next Wednesday? Okay, this is the examples of communications, especially about making an appointment atau arrange an appointment. Mr. Hibbert's office, Michelle di sini sebagai tadi resepsionisnya. Mr. Hibbert office. Hello, can I speak to Brian Hibbert, please? Bisa nggak saya bicara dengan Brian Hibbert? I'm afraid, maaf sekali. I'm afraid he is in a meeting until lunchtime. Dia lagi meeting sampai nanti makan siang. Can I take a message? Bisa saya istilahnya apa ya, kalau Anda telepon lalu yang ditelepon nggak ada, biasanya kan bisa titip pesan gitu ya. Bisa titip pesan. Can I take a message? Well, I'd like to arrange an appointment. Ya, saya mau arrange an appointment. Saya mau janjian to see him, untuk bertemu, please. It's Peter Jefferson here. Ini saya Peter Jefferson. Okay. Could you hold for a minute? Tunggu sebentar. Hold on for a minute. Could you hold on for a minute, Mr. Jefferson? I'll just look in the diary. Tak cek dulu di agendanya. So when's convenient for you? Jadi kapan enaknya Anda bisa ketemu? Ada waktu luang kapan Anda? So when's convenient for you? Sometime next week if possible. Ya, minggu depan. I gather he is away the following week. Saya pengen bertemu, gather. Yeah, he is away the following week. Saya pengen ketemu minggu depan. Yes, that's right. He's on holiday for a fortnight. I gather he's away he's away following week. Ini artinya saya kira sama kalau dia itu minggu depan lagi keluar nih, away keluar. Yes, ya benar, that's right. His holiday for a fortnight. Minggu depan dia lagi holiday nih. Well, I need to see him before he goes away. Saya pengen ketemu dia sebelum dia itu liburan. So, would next Wednesday be okay? Apakah besok Rabu itu bisa? Wednesday, let me see. Kita lihat dulu ya. He's out of the office all morning. Dia Wednesday kayaknya lagi keluar kantor, nggak di kantor, nggak di tempatnya. But he's free in the afternoon after about 3. Tapi dia free di waktu sore sekitar jam 3. 3 o'clock is difficult. Kayaknya jam 3 itu susah deh. But I could make it after 4. Tapi saya bisanya jam 4. I could make it. Saya bisa after 4. So, shall we say 4:15? Jadi, kira-kira jam 4:15 ya, next Wednesday in Mr. Hibbert office. Yes, that sounds fine. Yeah, that sounds fine. Bagus. Thanks very much. Okay then, bye. Nah, itu contoh dari making appointment. Ya, I'd like to arrange an appointment. Lalu, when's convenient for you? Kira-kira kapan ketemunya? Sebagainya. Okay. I think that's all for today. We have talks about the connecting phonings. Jadi bagaimana cara masuk koneksi pertama kali telepon, terutama di perusahaan atau sektor formal, lalu bagaimana membuat janji ya. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.